2 kilograms vacuum gold bar casting machine. How is a 2 kilograms silver bar made? This is a vacuum gold or silver bar casting machine from COOLDO-CDOCAST. Equipped with German imported vacuum pumps and PLC touchscreen. The operation is simple. Load the silver into the graphite mold, close the chamber, and start the cycle. The machine starts melting with induction heating, under vacuum and protective gas. The result is a dense, smooth, high-quality silver bullion bar. Want to produce perfect gold-silver bars? COOLDO-CDOCAST gives you the complete casting solution.